Simon. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Let me introduce from my group. My name is Adil Dafi and my friend is Baradil Nawan. I am standing here to presentation from our group with the name of the types of navigation equipment used on modern ship. For the purpose of cadets now the equipment navigation on the modern ship, which will be conveyed the file.
Tadi sebelum dimatiin wajib
I will present my
my
presentation.
The first is rudder angle indicator.
Rudder.
Rudder.
Yeah.
The rudder angle indicator the function to show the degrees of the ship rudder. The second is speed and distance log device. Speed and distance log device function is to measure the speed through of water. Next. The next is GMDSS console. GMDSS console function to send the distress when we in the dangerous situation.
Send and receive.
Yeah, send
The
and
distress.
receive the distress.
This distress. Sorry. Distress.
Distress.
Yes.
The next will be present by my partner.
The VTR voyage data record and the function recording data from sensor on boards. Maybe that's direction or speed. Next. That's echo sounder. The function measure the depth of the sea with sending sound. Wave to the ship and measuring their echo type. Enough.
That's all about. Okay. Can we play for the previous one, the first slide, brother, from the purpose? Okay. All right. So can you stand up, both of you? Okay, from the PPT content, you mentioned not only one but also five, yeah, equipments. 5 or 6?
Five.
Five equipments. Okay, what is exactly the first equipment that you mentioned? Can you mention one by one? Okay, the first is
Rudder. Is rudder.
rudder.
Rudder dan
Operator itu identifikasi.
No, I mean who mentioned the first equipment? You, Farel. Okay, one. The first equipment, mention one.
atau
No, you mentioned one by one. You have mentioned, right?
Alright.
Equipment. 1, 2. Farah mentioned 3, and Maza mentioned 2, right? You mentioned 2 or 3.
So VTR and echo sounder.
Okay, and you?
three.
Yeah, what's that?
One is the rudder, GMDSS and
You have to remember.
speed through water.
Okay, so what is GMDSS? Stands for?
Global Message Distress Security System.
Security.
Security system.
What is the function?
Function to send the distress message.
Okay, and what is rudder? Rudder and? You mentioned the rudder and blah blah blah. What's that?
Rudder and speed through water.
Okay, what is the function?
To know the degrees of the ship.
Okay, and then the last one is?
The speed through water.
The last one. You mentioned 3.
Yeah. To know the water.
No, I mean you mentioned 3. The first is rudder, the second is GMDSS, and the last one is?
Speed through water.
What is the function?
To know the speed of the water.
Okay, and you, brother?
I am VDR.
Yeah.
Voyage data recording. The function
The function.
of record the save important data on board.
Oh, to save the important data on the chip. For example, what is the data?
That's direction or speed.
Or speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Course. I mean not direction but course. Course. Like course. Okay. And then the last one is?
That's echo sounder.
Okay, what is the function?
The function is measure depth C.
Okay, the depth of the sea. Alright, can you close the presentation, brother?
That's all from our group. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.